One of our member just finished the training. He said he want to start. He don't want to waste time. He just want to start gradually. And based on the training, I encouraged him to start no matter the quantity of birds. See, for you to make it in poultry farming, you don't need millions of naira. You don't need to break the bank before you start. The little, even if it is only 50 birds, even 20 birds, you can still start with 10 only. 10 chicken is okay for you to start. You start gradually and you start learning it with those little quantity. See, it is easier and better to start gradually and grow than to grow and fall. So today we are here to set up a small poultry house for this our trainee. He just finished his training. This is the environment. This is a place, a little space he has in his house. This place has been dormant all these ways. We are trying to convert it to a very good poultry house where we can stock up to 100 birds. So right now, I want to get the quantity of birds that can be stocked here. That's exactly why I'm here. So that after the measurement, let me know the number of birds we can get from this place. Before we finish the construction. Okay, here I have almost, this is 3 meters here. 3 meters width. Meters here. Six points. Okay. That is 6.5 meters length and 3 meters width. This is exactly space. This space will take 100 broilers. We are starting immediately. The broilers are already in the brooding room, so we are completing this particular project to make sure that he stock it. This is a very cheap poultry house. Very cheap poultry house. .5 length, 3 meters and 3 meters height. This will give us 100 birds at maturity. So if you want to start your poultry house, you need to get the location. A very good location is very important. Very nice location with good air and cross ventilation. You can see here we stopped the block walk. The block walk will stop here. All this place will be net up. So the block walk is just 2 feet. You can see it. Just less than 2 feet here. Then the rest will be net. This is going to give a very good cross ventilation. We have a river here. There is a river around here. This river will bring enough air, most well in the night. So any broiler you stock here will be well ventilated, and the issue of diseases is ruled out because it's a very good place and cross ventilation. The roof is going to be high, 3 meters high. This is 3 meters and 6.5 meters length. This will give us complete 100 broilers at maturity. If you want to start, you can start immediately. Don't waste time. You see, hello, you can see that he have just started, and this is the beginning of his success. because he started in the right direction with the right footstep. He has finished the training. Now he has low initial investment, which he knows cannot accommodate larger farm. But you can start a small backyard poultry farm with minimal cost, which make it very accessible for every beginner. Easy access to fresh meat. He can have free access to chickens, and this ensures a steady supply of fresh meat, high quality poultry meat for personal use and for local consumption within the neighborhood already. Some of them have already started booking. You see, his chickens are still in the brooding room and they have already started booking. Say, this is what it takes for you to make a good, very good step in the right direction. This little space we have seen here now, he has made use of it. Already, this space was used for nothing. He sweeps it on daily basis. But this backyard poultry farming makes space efficient use. Backyard poultry farms also help you to accommodate and make use of the waste space you have in your environment. Only a small amount of space you need, which would make it ideal for you to set up a very small backyard poultry farm. Quick turnover is also available in small and backyard poultry farm with very great growth level cycle. Broilers reach market weight in less than 6 weeks, maximum 8 weeks. He have already harvested his product, allowing for faster returns on investment. Potential for organic and free range farming. You can see the remaining space at the back of this part. He can most of the times allow the chickens to move around. Since this place is secured, they can move around and feed themselves from the debris and all the insects around. This will help reduce the cost of feeding, and at the same time there is a consistent demand for local products, especially within communities that value fresh and locally sourced food, organic food. Most of them believe that chickens reared in this kind of environment must be organically. So ability to start on small scale and expand, this is one of the good advantage of this particular type of setup. You start small and start growing from there. As you are growing, you are at the same time learning the business. Low labor requirement. He can manage it by himself. He wake up in the morning, do whatever you need to do, take care of the best, and still go out to work in other places also, and come back and still feed the chickens. So it is very easy for him because this is in his own backyard. At the end, he closes his door. The chicken doesn't require you 24 hours. You only give them a little attention and still go your way. Flexibility in feed sourcing. Within this environment now, there are people that do small food items. He can gather all the wastes, all the peas, yam peas, banana peas, pineapple peas, orange peas, cassava peas, and others, and grab them and use them to make the feed. He has already learned how to make the feed. This is one of the best things, and what he have gained from this opportunity for sustainable farming practices. Backyard poultry farm allows you to integrate sustainable methods like using kitchen scraps for food or natural waste management. This is all he gained from this particular investment. Little investment will yield very great product. Please, if you have found this particular topic interesting, let us encourage him, because he is also watching this video. Let us encourage him and like this video, share, and encourage other farmers that are waiting for bank to give them loan, that are waiting to break bank, for people to support them, that are moving around looking for money to start in a big way. Let this particular video encourage them. Share it to reach other farmers. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, you can do well by subscribing and activating the bell notification, so that anytime I release an update or any other interesting topic on this particular platform, you'll be among the first set of subscribers that will get notified. I thank you all, my members. If you have not joined the membership group, please do your best and join. You have very good and interesting content awaiting.